Hello and welcome to another edition of the Crown Lounge. What we got going on today is we're going to have Halloween inspired drinks, right? But not spooky stuff, right? What we're doing is the trick or treat part of it. So we're going to do drinks that you would have in your trick or treat bag, right? The candies from it. So what we got to do first for one of our first cocktails is infuse a cheap vodka, which Smirnoff's not a bad vodka, but you know, there's better or more expensive vodkas than Smirnoff, because you don't want to do this to your good stuff, right? We're going to take a cup of candy corns, right? You remember candy corns? And I got this mason jar. Hopefully it all fits. Ah, look at there. So that was a whole bottle of vodka. Get the rest of it. So we're gonna let this sit in this airtight container, shaking it for 3 to 4 hours, but more than likely it'll be a full day. And that's all for that one. So now that we have made our candy corn infused vodka, now we're gonna make a cocktail with it. Right, this is trick or treat candy, so let's get it. So first we're gonna go with 2 ounces of our candy corn infused vodka. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of an orange liqueur. Last, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. And I didn't squeeze it on camera because you know what it looks like. Oh, next, ice. In our shaker cup. Next, we pour it in our martini glass, right? I attempted to put candy corns around the rim, but it don't really work that well. You find a better way of doing it. I kind of forced them, a little pressure. They're going to double that recipe and fill the glass up. But nevertheless, what we have is our candy corn martini. Okay, let's enjoy it. See how this tastes. It's not a bad cocktail. It's not bad at all. I think, though, that the vodka infused may go better with a vanilla vodka versus a plain vodka, because then you get a little more sweetness to it.